Hello, I'm Uma from justtutors.com, and in today's video we will learn about stars and solar system. So the main subtopics which we are going to cover in today's video are the moon, the stars and constellations. So let's move forward towards the next slide and let's try a few pre-assessment questions. So you can pause the video here, and once you are done with all the questions, you can resume the video to check your answers. So pat your back if all of your answers are correct. Now let's move forward towards the next slide and let's have a quick discussion about today's topic. So we are going to discuss about celestial bodies. Celestial bodies are physically occurring objects in universe, for example the moon, the sun and the other planets of our solar system. Any airless rocky worlds that revolves around the sun can be called celestial object. Let's move forward towards the next slide and let's talk about the moon. Well, the moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. It takes 29 days to revolve around the Earth. There is no atmosphere on the moon, and there are some craters on the moon's surface. Well, a crater is a very large hole in the ground. And the oceans on Earth are affected by moon's gravity. Well, the moon is our nearest neighbor in the universe. The moon is at a distance of about 400,000 kilometers from the Earth. And in terms of size, the Earth is 81 times bigger than the moon. Now let's talk about different phases of moon. The moon doesn't appear similar on different days, rather its shape changes every day. The different shapes of the moon are called the different phases of moon. The periods of rotation and revolution are same in the case of moon. This means that the moon takes the same time in completing one rotation and one revolution. Due to this, only one surface of the moon is visible from the Earth. Well, the moon has four phases. The first one is new moon, first quarter, full moon, and the last one is third quarter moon. So now let's talk about each phase in detail. So in the first phase, no moon is visible in the sky. In the first quarter, the moon appears as a semicircle. If we talk about the full moon phase, the moon appears as a complete circle. And if we talk about the last phase, which is third quarter, we can say that that's a half moon because we can exactly see 50% of the moon's surface. So this was all about different phases of moon. Now let's talk about the stars. A star is a huge celestial body. It produces heat and light because they are full of very hot gases. The sun is the nearest star from us, and it is at a distance of about 150 million kilometers from us. And after that, the next nearest star is Alpha Centauri. Now let's move forward and let's have a quick discussion about constellation. So the shape formed by a group of stars is known as constellation. We can say a group of stars which basically resembles a certain shape is called a constellation. Well, the shape of the constellation remains constant, basically doesn't change with time, and different constellations may have different names in various cultures. So let's move forward and let's discuss about few famous constellations. The first one is Ursa Major. Well, this is a constellation that can be seen in the northern hemisphere and a part of the southern hemisphere. There are 7 prominent stars in this constellation, and this constellation has different names such as Saptarishi, Big Dipper and the Great Bear. And the next one is Orion. Orion constellation is visible in the southern sky, and this can be easily seen during summer months in India. Cassiopeia is easily recognizable due to its distinctive W shape formed by 5 bright stars. So that was all about different kinds of constellations. Let's move forward, and here are a few practice times questions for you. So you can pause the video and give all the questions a try, and once you are done you can resume the video to check your answers. Congratulations if all of your answers are correct, and here are a few more questions for you to practice. And once you are done, You can resume the video to check your answers. So congratulations once again if you got all of your answers correct, and thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.